Hi everyone, my name is Abdullah. I am a volunteer garden tour guide in Toronto Botanical Garden, and today is September 10, 2021, and we are here in the North Garden, in this garden, and we wanted to introduce to you one native plant in Ontario that we have it in our garden. They call it great blue lobelia. If you wanted to take a picture or anyhow have it on your record, that is the tag, great blue lobelia. It's coming in two color, blue and white. Now I'm going to talk about the blue one that we do have in North Garden here. That is the one, and a beautiful color at each herbaceous perennial, so every year coming back, and then it's late blooming. Actually in July, end of July, they started to bloom mid-July or end of July, and then it's continuing in late summer. And as you see, it's a magnet plant for pollinators, and it attracts all kind of native bees and honeybees, and also the most important, they attract the hummingbird. I do have actually some, and at least 6-7 of them in my garden. Every morning I could see in this time of the season hummingbird coming and enjoying the nectar of these beautiful flower. And all you see, it's now those bees, they enjoying the nectars. And then one characteristic of these plant is the flowering stem. If you look at it from the bottom, actually it's coming upright, and then that is the new bud opening later on. You could see it, the buds here. So from the bottom they started to show, and then continuing maybe another week or 10 days in the summer. Still you have the flowers. They making quite a few seed. Actually, it's now is full of seed now, in still not ripened here, but you could see the seed inside that fruit, and then a tiny seed, black one, and then you could collect actually the seed. You could donate it to friends, and then two ways you could plant it. In fall, just collect those seeds, and then any site, the sunny location or have a shade, just put it on the bed of that garden, and then don't put any soil on it. And then they needed light to germinate easily, just naturally, let's say, and then they will come anyhow. Or you could put it in spring, and so that is the way. And then usually it's perennial, every year coming back, so you could enjoy it for this time of the season. And you could closer to this one, how the bees jump in the flowers. You could see that one of them is jumped in, and then it's coming, could see it, how to jumping, and it's just like jumping in the swimming pool, just taking the nectar, enjoying the nectar, these bees, and that is what it is. And so if you like to have anyhow hummingbirds, that is the right one. We do have the native blue lobelia, and this one is a cultivar, but genetically lots of characteristic of the native one within that. I don't know the original of that cultivars, but there are lots of characteristic of the native blue lobelia in these cultivars. So that is all about these beautiful flower, perennial one in our garden. I wanted just, hopefully you could find it and buy it in any garden in Ontario. Usually they do have the blue lobelia. Hopefully next year you could put it one, and then later on you could share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time that I'll introduce another flower plants in our garden. Stay safe. Thank you.